Hello everyone, welcome back to SK EduVerse. In today's video, we are going to learn one of the most important basics of engineering drawing, projections of points. In this video, I will explain it in a simple and practical way using AutoCAD. We'll see how to locate a point with respect to the horizontal plane and vertical plane, and how to draw its front view and top view accurately with respective to the reference line, that is XY line. Let's start the drawing step by step in AutoCAD. Look at the problem. Draw the projections of the following points. First bit, point A in the HP and 20 mm behind VP. Point B, 40 mm above HP and 25 mm in front of VP. Point C in the VP and 40 mm above the HP. Point D, 25 mm below HP and 25 mm behind VP. Point E, 15 mm above HP and 50 mm behind VP. Point F, 40 mm below HP and 25 mm in front of the VP. And point G in the both HP and VP. Let us draw the projections of these points on same reference line. So here I am taking a reference line. This is a common reference line. Here it is X and Y, XY line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 points are given. So mark the 7 points at equidistance on this reference line. So for that I am using divide command. Select the object and give the number of segments. Here I am giving number of segments as 8, so that I will get 7 points on the reference line. Here the point type I selected. Let me tell you the point type. P type. This is a symbol I have used here, and point size 1. Check the size in absolute units. Click OK. So I get these points. Okay, right. Now let us see the first bit A. Point A is in the HP and 20 mm behind VP. First, identify the point is situated in which quadrant. Point is in the HP means it is belongs to 4 quadrants, and when the point is behind vertical plane, so that may be in second quadrant or third quadrant, so consider the point is in second quadrant. Okay, now as the point is in the horizontal plane, its front view comes on XY line. So to represent the points, here I am using donut symbol, DONUT. Click. So it is asking for the inside diameter. I am giving inside diameter. Let us take inside diameter 5 for example. Enter. And outside diameter, let us take 10. Wherever you want, just click there. Understand, this is the donut symbol. Okay, but to represent the points, the inner radius should be 0 and outer radius appropriately I am taking here 1 mm. Okay, so delete this donut again. The inner radius is 0, enter, and outer radius is 1. Okay, now first A bit, point A is in the HP, its front view comes on XY line, right? So this is the point A, front view A dash, and its top view comes 20 mm behind VP. When the point is behind VP, its top view comes above the XY line with same distance. So from this point, so here see, go to the object snap, click the drop down arrow mark, select here endpoint and geometry center node. Right, now See, this is a circle. Green color circle is representing the geometry center, this donut center, or the point center. Okay, so from here give the height of line. This line is the projector or projection line, so that height should be 20 mm. Okay, right, escape. So again give the donut here, inner radius 0, outer radius 1, press enter, then click at this end point. See, this is a projection of the point A, front view on XY line, top view 20 mm above XY line. Give the point names. So text height I am taking 3, text angle 0, enter. Point name is small a dash front view and top view is small a. Just move this a dash using move command M. Yeah, see here, a dash is on XY line and a is above XY line. How much above? 20 mm above. A dash is the front view and A is the top view. Right? A bit is finished. So next, coming to the B bit. Point B is 40 mm above HP and 25 mm in front of VP. That means the point is situated in first quadrant. When the object is lies in first quadrant, its front view comes above XY line and top view comes below XY line. Understand? Take a line, use thin layer. Thin layer, the line thickness is 0.09 I'm using, and take the line. So first draw the front view. Front view always with respect to HP, the distance is given 40 mm above. So with respect to HP, draw a line 40 mm above. Right. Similarly, top view 25 mm in front of VP means 25 mm below XY line. Click on the XY line at respective point and give the dimension as 25 mm. Escape. Now give the donuts here at this point. Sorry, donut. Again, every time you need to give the diameter 0 and 1. Select this point and select this point. Okay, press escape. Now give the point names here. This is text height 3, text to direction 0. This is point B dash, as it is front view, and here it is point B. Okay, give the dimensions. This is 40 mm above the HP and 25 mm in front of VP means 25 mm below the HP, the top view. Okay. Similarly, the point C is in the VP and 40 mm above the HP. When the point is lies on the vertical plane, its top view comes on XY line. And the point C is 40 mm above the HP. So its front view comes 40 mm above the HP. First I am drawing the front view. So from this point, this is 40 mm, right? Escape. Now give the points here using donut. Inner radius 0, inner diameter 0, outer diameter is 1. So its front view comes here and top view comes on XY line since the point lies in the VP. So top view comes on XY line. So give the point names here. Text single line. So here it is. Text height I am taking 3 and text direction, enter. Text to direction 0, enter. Now type C dash, its front view, and this point is C. Okay, escape. Now give the dimension. So select this line simply, it will get 40 mm. Done. Next, coming to point D is 25 mm below HP and 25 mm behind VP. So that is in which quadrant? Below HP, behind VP. That is third quadrant. The point D lies in the third quadrant. When the point D lies in the third quadrant, that is third angle projection, it is quite opposite to the first angle projection. Means its front view comes below XY line and top view comes above XY line. So 25 mm below. Take a line from this point. First draw the front view. This is 25 mm. Escape. Again the top view. It comes 25 mm above. Escape. Now give the point symbol using donut. Inner diameter 0, outer diameter 1. Enter. Click here and here. 0, 1. Yeah. Now see. Give the dimensions. So it's front view 25 mm and top view also 25 mm. Give the point names here. Text single line. Text height 3. Text direction 0 degrees. Angle. Enter. So point name is D dash. And here it is point D. Click outside and escape. Just move this point near. Yeah. Coming to point E. Point E is 15 mm above HP and 50 mm behind VP. Above HP, behind VP means it is second quadrant. When the point is in second quadrant, its front view comes above XY line and top view comes also above XY line. Let us take the projector from this point. So first draw the front view 15 mm above HP, right? 15 mm above HP. First draw the front view. The length is equal to 15. Enter, escape. Give the point symbol using donut. Inner diameter 0, out, enter. Outer diameter 1, enter. So select this endpoint. Okay, escape. This is the front view. And top view is with respect to VP 50 mm behind, means from the XY line 50 mm above, 50. Escape. Again use the donut to show the point. So inner diameter 0, outer diameter 1, and select this endpoint. Okay, escape. Now give the dimensions, or first give the point names. So text single line. This is the front view. Text height I am taking 3 and text direction is 0 angle. Enter. The point name is E dash and here the point name is E. This is E dash is front view and E is the top view. Okay, so front view always with respect to HP 15 mm above 15. Top view is always the condition associated with the vertical plane, that is 50 mm behind. So give the dimensions of this front view first. So when you try to give the dimensions using line, it is automatically selecting the longer line instead of this shorter line. So to select this front view, click the geometry center of this point and this intersection point. So here it is 15 mm. Okay, and the top view 50 mm. Clear? Next, coming to the F bit, point F is 40 mm below HP and 25 mm in front of VP. So below HP, in front of VP means it is in fourth quadrant. So when the object is lies in fourth quadrant, its front view and top view both comes below XY line. So let us take the projector line to draw the projector 40 mm below HP. First draw the front view 40 mm below HP means 40 mm below XY line. Okay, so here give the donut. Inner diameter 0, outer diameter 1, enter. So wherever you want the donut symbol, click there. So this is a point in front view. So similarly, one more point 25 mm in front of VP. So top view comes below XY line 25 mm. So the line length is equal to 25 mm. escape. Here give the donut 0, 1, enter. So here, right. Just give the point names here, single line. So 40 mm below HP, this is the front view of point F. Text height 3, enter. Text to direction 0 angle, enter. So point name is F dash, and here it is F. Click outside, press escape. Just move this F dash near to this point. Yeah, this is the front view and this is top view. Right, now give the dimensions. So first front view dimension here, and the top view dimension, yeah, this one. Right, point F is finished. Next, the last point G. Point G is in both HP and VP, so its front view and top view will come on XY line. I'm using simply donut, inner diameter 0, outer diameter 1. Press enter and select this point. Okay, escape. This point itself is the front view and top view projection of point G. So let us give the point name. Text height 3, enter. Text direction 0 degrees, angle, enter. So point name is G dash comma G. Both are at same point. Escape. Done. So that's how we draw the projections of points using AutoCAD in a clear and systematic way. If you understood this problem, you will find it much easier to solve the projections of straight lines, projections of planes, and even projections of solids in the upcoming topics. If this video helped you, please like, share and subscribe to SK EduVerse for more AutoCAD tutorials and engineering drawing problem solutions. Thank you for watching. Keep practicing and I will see you in the next video.